how can I file a case if I'm outside the country? Depends on the type of case. So if you have civil cases, you have criminal cases. In short, filing a criminal case outside of the country is very difficult. For the time being, the authorities do want you to be present here to file a criminal case. It is possible for certain kinds of cases to appoint a local advocate, and they can try to file a criminal case for you, but it's a lot harder. So in terms of criminal cases, you do need to be in the country. Now, if you want to file a civil case, and civil case is what? It's commercial cases, employment cases, anything related to contract disputes, real estate, and so on and so forth. So civil case, yes, absolutely, you can file outside of the country. No longer need to be in the UAE, and there is, I guess, perhaps two simple ways of doing it. One simple way, and that's always been the case, it's just easier to do now, is that you give a power of attorney to a local advocate or somebody who represents you here, local advocate. So. And the power of attorney these days is much easier to do online. In the past, you kind of, for the most part, had to be here, had to come here and do it here. Otherwise, it was expensive and time-consuming. But now it can all be done online. And so once you've given the power of attorney to the advocate, then the advocate can represent you in a commercial case, a civil case. You don't have to ever be here. Same thing with the family, by the way, case, or divorces, or personal status cases. If, however, so that's one way. The other way for you to do it is that if you're a UAE resident, you will have a UAE pass. And if you have UAE pass, you can set up your own court portal. Now, this is very important because a court portal basically is your own window into the court system that allows you not only to have access into all that is happening on your particular case, but also have full visibility to what the other side is submitting, all the arguments are being made, and expert being appointed, all the judges' decisions and orders, and all the hearing notes, all the documents are being submitted by both parties, everything. So this is effectively your window into the full court library with regards to your specific case. And that also, having this portal also allows you to basically litigate for yourself, as long as it's all in Arabic, because for the time being still, for purposes of courts and litigation, the Arabic is still the official language. So therefore, whatever submissions you make, they have to be in Arabic. However, you no longer need a local advocate. You don't need lawyers. If it's a simple matter, you can basically, because you can now open the case on your own through your court portal, and as long as you can make submissions in Arabic, you can get them translated. You make all the requests through the court portal. You can see all the side submissions, and you can appear in all the court hearings. So do not need to be in the country.